This is our second annual Bark in the Park, hosted by the Richard P. Riney Canine Health Center. We're here in Central Park in Manhattan. His name's Ralph Lauren. He loves Central Park, so it's a perfect time.
This is Jack. He's very excited.
This is Lily. Lily's 8. She's a rescue from Hawaii. This is Luna. She's an Australian Shepherd. She's a good girl.
She's 10 years old, but she likes to move, so I'm hoping she finishes the whole race. If not, then I'll be carrying her the rest of the way.
We had a great turnout this year. We had about 370 participants and close to 300 dogs running and walking.
It felt great. It felt better for Coco than it did for me, I think. I did my best to keep up. Yeah, Coco would prefer to run probably, 4-minute mile pace or something. It's a lot of fun. We'll be out here next year.
People love bringing their dogs to Central Park, so we're really excited to hold our event here, to be with the community and to reach the local New York City dog lovers, and we hope to be here again next year.